you so much, guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for visiting my channel, and thank you so much to my fans. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment, and also share this video widely to your friends and relatives so that they can be assisted in playing Catholic piano. So without wasting our time, I'm going to show you this song called Nasadiki. Yeah, Nasadiki, 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 ni Nasadiki. Yeah, it's a very simple song. So without wasting our time, let's get started with our melody. So our melody, we are going to play like this. Yeah, we are going to start here on a D. Remember, I'm playing on a key of D major scalar at the tempo of 76. Yeah, Nasadiki, Nasadiki, like that. Nasadiki, Nasadiki, Diki, ni Nasadiki. So the next, Nasadiki, 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 ni Nasadiki. And then the verse, Nasadiki kwa Mungu Baba. Yeah. Then you repeat. Neki dana katesa ni nasa. So. Yeah. I hope you have seen. So after that, you're going to play our chord. You're going to start on this. Let me play with these fingers. You start there. Nasadiki, Nasadiki. Just play this. Nasadiki, Nasadiki, then Nina. Then one and Nina. Then you go to C. Like that. And then you repeat. Like that. Let me start again. Yeah. Nasadiki, then Nina. Diki. Then you go again. Then the verse, yeah. Just like that. Mwenye kuzaliwa kwa wafu. Like that. Yeah. So guys, we are going to play with our beat and then we're going to finish the video. So guys, thank you for watching this video. My name is always Fred Moore. Don't forget to subscribe to this video, like, comment and share it widely to your relatives and friends. Thank you so much. Until the next video, God bless you.